It's Ann Feldman from Bellevue Public Schools, and today I'm going to share with you the new Google Sites. Let's get started. First of all, make sure you're using Google Chrome, and then sign in to your Google Drive. From there, we're going to click on the New button and go all the way down to More, and then from the drop-down menu, go down even farther to Google Sites. When you click on Google Sites, it's going to go ahead and open, and you can get started. The first thing you're going to notice is that we have on the left-hand side the area where you're creating your website. And on the right-hand side, we have the pane where we can add content to your pages. So it's a very simple environment to get started. So for example, let's say we're doing a history project and we're doing it on the country of Africa. So I could just go ahead and name my site. And then down in here, maybe we could talk about the content of the page. So again, if I'm studying the country of Africa, maybe I'll just go ahead and just name the page Africa for today. Then it's very simple, again in this environment, to just click on Change Image, and you can easily search. You can go through the gallery, you can upload your own images, or you can just do a plain old Google search. And if you type in the content that you're looking for, it will pop up with some images that you can use. And then just as simple as that, you click on the image and it will drop right onto your page. Now you can do some editing on that page just a little bit. You can change that type of the banner, so you can get rid of your images. You can go into a large banner, or you can do a small banner on your page. Then if you'd like to add more content, you just zip over here to the right-hand side, and it's real easy then. You can see under the Insert tab, you can insert a text box or more images, or even upload content or embed things that you might have created elsewhere. The other fabulous piece is you can come right down in here and access your Google Drive and other wonderful Google things that you can embed, including maps, calendars, YouTube video, docs, slides, sheets, and more. It's incredible. Now, if you'd like to add another page, you just come over here again to that right-hand pane and click on the Pages tab. Then you can very simply click on this plus to add a new page. So maybe I want to add something like transportation. And now I'll have a page for that. Then you can click again to add another new page. Like maybe we want to talk about shelter. And we can just kind of add here another page. Maybe we want to add a page about the culture. You can add that page. Now once you have your pages, note that they're coming in automatically across the top of the page for some page navigation. You can also come down here while we're on this Pages tab, and you can just click and drag and reorder the pages. Just a simple drag and drop. Very easy to use. Now the other tab is the Themes tab, and that's a great way to give your site a fun look. So you can just click and that will change. Notice the way that those headings are changing and the navigation is changing. So you can do some simple editing just to snazz up your site. Now when you're finished with your site, you can come up here across the very top, and you'll notice we have several buttons across the top. One of the fantastic pieces is you can click on Publish and give this a name. So I'm just going to call mine Sample. And you can set the privacy so that you can say anyone within your domain can see the site, or you can make it public to anyone on the web. So what I love about this feature is we've had students creating Google Sites, and when we have it, anyone at Bellevue Public Schools can look at that site. It protects that website, so it's not shared with the world, but shared with all of us within our own domain. And then all you have to do is hit the Publish button, and then that website will have its own unique URL, which you can share, and so students can view one another's projects. The other fantastic piece is you can, just like in all Google things, click on this little person and add editors. So what I love about this is students can work together on the same website. So for example, if we had added an editor to this site, one student could be working on culture while another student's working on transportation. And they can see this in real time. So at any time, they can pop onto one another's pages and see what each other has been working on. So that's inspirational, and it also helps with accountability and adds interest, and they collaborate and can share. It's just really, really wonderful. So that's a very, very quick tour into that new Google Sites. And I hope that you give that a try with your students, because it's a great way to, instead of maybe doing a paper pencil project like a brochure or a poster, to go ahead and allow them to create in a digital kind of a way and create a website to share information that they've learned with others, not only in their classroom, but can even be shared anywhere around the world. So there you have it, a little bit about how to use the new Google Sites. Thanks for watching.